common question by people who shoot video, especially beginners, asks which video editing program to use, usually with a preferably free proviso thrown in. I'm David Haig from Australian Video Camera and Creative Content. Now, there is no real answer to this question, as there are many different editing packages available across all operating systems, Mac, Windows, Linux and mobile, and each has varying strengths and weaknesses. Plus, a lot depends on your own workflow preferences. But first, let's have a look at the basics. As a bare minimum, a video editing program should allow you to import video clips shot on your camera, camcorder, GoPro, drone or smartphone. Next, it should allow you to extract sections of a clip, the video or the audio or both, and add these extracted pieces to a timeline in order to put together a completed video. You also need to make sure your editor of choice allows the orientation, size and frame rates you require. These extracted clips should be able to be moved around the timeline, have their order changed, allowed to be sped up or slowed down, be zoomed in on, and have transitions applied when changing from one clip to the next. Additionally, multi-tracking of clips should be possible, so that clips placed on top of each other can be composited to create such things as picture-in-picture, imagery side by side, and even combining two or more clips to create a single image. Any decent editor will have a titling system, letting you add text to clips as overlays and create a list of actors and crew as seen in TV shows and movies. Multiple tracks need to be available, so that a clip's audio from the camera can have music or sound effects added. Finally, a completed timeline needs to be rendered, making the final output available for distribution via physical media, such as CD, DVD, USB stick or SD card, or electronically with streaming services such as YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram and so on. Examples of editing programs that allow this include Final Cut Pro on a Mac or Vegas Pro on a Windows computer. Available for both platforms are Adobe Premiere Pro and Avid Media Composer. Across all three platforms are DaVinci Resolve and Lightworks. For editing on a smartphone, either iPhone or Android, you have a choice of CapCut, InShot and Lightcut. The latter two are available for free, and CapCut has both a free and subscription version, with the subscription one offering such things as sound effects, music tracks, filters and more. Price tag, with a single outright purchase or via a subscription model. The exception to that is DaVinci Resolve. There is a paid version if you need the complete feature set that gives you, but for the average person or even professional, the free basic version of DaVinci Resolve probably offers more than you'll ever use. The free basic version of DaVinci Resolve probably offers more than you'll ever use. Other free versions can be had from Lightworks and Avid, and Adobe has Rush available for iOS, Android, Windows and Mac. Now, all software has good points and bad, but these are very subjective. Or to put it another way, one person's ceiling is another one's floor. Now, I've not used all of these packages, but a bit of research pretty much sums up the pros and cons of each as follows. Final Cut Pro. The pros. It has a lifetime license with no subscription, it has a great feature set and very fast performance. On the negative side, it is Mac only, it's relatively expensive compared to other packages, and it has a large learning curve for beginners. For Vegas Pro, the positives are it has a very powerful feature set, excellent audio tools, and a large set of compositing tools. On the negative side, it is mainly subscription based, it has been known to be prone to crashing, and it does need a powerful computer to get the best out of it. With Adobe Premiere Pro, on the positive side, it is both Mac and Windows. It has seamless integration with other Adobe products such as After Effects, and a very powerful feature set. On the cons, it is only subscription based, it has a large learning curve, and it does need a powerful computer. For Avid Media Composer, on the positive side, it's classified as the industry standard, it has excellent media handling, and it's designed for a collaborative environment. On the other side of the coin, it has a very large learning curve, it's expensive, and limited liability in the free version. For DaVinci Resolve, on the positive side, there are Mac, Windows and Linux versions. The free version will suit most users as it has a huge feature set and it's very, very stable. On the negative side, it has a reasonably large learning curve and does need a very powerful computer to get the best out of it. Lightworks is not that well known, but is easy to learn, has a free version available, and has a large library of visual effects. On the negative side, Yet the maximum feature set requires the subscription version. There are reports of it being a little bit buggy in certain areas, and the free version is limited to 1080p and only YouTube MP4 versions. For mobile editing on a smartphone, a lot of people choose CapCut. The pros are it has a free basic version. There are both desktop and mobile versions available. It is AI powered and has flexible editing. On the negative side, you do need a subscription version for extra assets. It lags on large projects and has limited offline editing. From DJI, who make the drones, there is LightCut. On the pro side, it's free, it's AI powered, and has lots of pre-designed templates and effects. Plus, there are both Android and iOS versions. On the negative side, it has a limited feature set, and some AI functions give rather unexpected results at times. Finally, we have Adobe Rush. On the pro side, it has a simple interface. It has quick performance, and it has seamless compatibility with Adobe Premiere Pro. On the negative side, it has a limited feature set, limited export functionality, and minimal audio capabilities. With editing software, what one person may like in terms of its look and feature set, another may absolutely hate. The best way to find out what suits you is to see if there is a free trial version for any of the ones you might like to try, and use some of your own footage to literally have a play. I do hope this little video has been of some help, and feel free to contact me on this email address below if you think I can assist further. I'm David Haig from Australian Video Camera and Creative Content, and thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. If you use a GoPro or other action type camera, I think you'll like my free 60-page e-magazine. You can download it from my website at www.creativecontent.au and select the option in the menu bar.